Yo, what up, you guys? It's your boy OmaOne or OmaGaming, and I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. And this video is an how-to video. It's been a while since I made this video, and before this video starts, can we get at least 10 likes? That would be amazing. So the topic for today is a program that I've been using in my YouTube career or YouTube hobby or whatever you want to call it. It's called Camstasia Studio, and there's a video right here because I want to give an example of a problem that a lot of YouTubers, especially new ones, that tend to mess up on their videos, and I'll tell you guys how to fix them. But before that, and also I'm gonna tell you guys how to get them or how to get this program. So just keep watching and all that good stuff. I hope you get I hope we get 10 likes in this video. That'll be amazing. So let's get started. So we got import media, so you can look at basically everything, and you can import it through here. You can even drag and drop here. So you can record the screen, and once it records, this one pops up. There's a lot of editing. You can do face cam. You could do different types of microphone. It'll show up around right here in the audio section, and you could pick and choose which one you want. It's your preference. And also, after you do all that good stuff, you can even move this around. As you can see, you can do call out, and call outs you can add like words. So like right here, and just type in, see, and it adds it for you. You can change the size so it makes it more visible. Let me take this out, and the only way to take it out is just do this and put delete, or what's called right click, and then after that there's zoom in. You don't really need this if for this one, only in the older models. Transition is when you have different clips and you want to have a little transition, just like the movie makers. Audio, if you want to enhance the audio, these are just the basic. And also, if you want to produce and share, I use this settings, you guys. So YouTube channel OmaOnegaming, so you just put add, and I'll show you guys my so if you guys want to add a new one, just click on new, and then just copy what I have right here. So this is what I have right here, you guys. So edit. So it's on smart player. I just put preset name as YouTube channel OmaOnegaming for for me to find it easier, so I don't get confused on which produce and share button I'm currently using. You click next. Just copy this one. You can pause the video. As you guys can see, video settings, pretty much simple. Bit rate, and that's it. That's about it. You click next. There's nothing really about watermark. You don't really need it unless you want to embed a logo so no one can steal your videos and stuff, something like that. So you can include watermarks if you want. It's your preference. And just copy, you guys, and pretty much that's it. And also, there's the YouTube problem. A lot of YouTubers have this problem right here. So they have the video, as you guys can see, that goes like this, like this, and you're like, how are you supposed to like watch this video? It's really hard to watch, right? So let me play it for you guys. When I come around, got the whole thing wobbling. See, like you guys see it, right? Like it's weird, like it's hard to watch. That's why I comment on a lot of people's video. I always look at new YouTubers and tell them, like, you gotta fix this, fix that. And people don't know. They're like, how do you do it and stuff like that. And well, pretty much with this program, you can basically just there you go. You just fix it. That's it. That's all you have to do with this program. Just click on this one, and once you see that little black circle, you start rotating it, and you're pretty much good to go. And then you can enhance it so it fits perfectly. And there you go. And that's it. That's the most simple way. And I hope you guys like the video. And also, to get this, the link will be in the description to another YouTube video that I use to get this program completely free. This program is around $300, $400, and this person helped me get it for free, but it's at your own risk. So just letting you guys know. Hope you guys like the video, and your boy OmaOne is out.